Today we have fried pork chops going. I'm going to open the lid so you can see. They're looking good. They're double stacked. I did a batter mixture to which I'll show you. They've been on, I preheated the foodie for 5 minutes on bake. And then they've been air crisping on 375 for 15 minutes. As you can see, they have about 3 minutes left. That's that. And then in the second foodie, we have some golden potatoes for homemade mashed potatoes that have been pressure cooking for 15 minutes. They're cubed in some chicken broth right now, 2 cups of chicken broth, and I will open it and then check the tenderness, and if they're ready, mash those and set that aside. And then waiting in line is some corn on the cob on the cob, golden corn on the cob. I have 2 cups of water, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I will season those before they actually go in. I'm going to pressure cook those for 5 minutes. They're frozen corn on the cob, so it wouldn't take long. Then I have some cornbread, just some ready mix jiffy cornbread. I have enough just for today's meal so that we're not wasting food. My husband has appreciated the foodie on that part. And now just quickly, how have I breaded my pork chops? Well, first I cleaned them, and then I paper towel dried them. I have a heavy whipping cream, 1 egg, and then mustard, about a tablespoon of mustard mixed. That's my mixture, my actual wet mixture. And then I have some seasoned flour. So I drizzle, I put in the flour, take it out the flour, put it back into the actual liquid mixture, and then I top it with breadcrumbs. That is what I'm doing today to make that crunch look appearance. And looks like they're almost ready. I'm going to check again. Those are probably about 1/2 inch thick. I'm going to flip, spray again with good old Pam olive oil spray, organic olive oil spray, and then probably let it finish out that 1.5 minutes because they'll be ready. That's for today's meal. So once everything's done and plated, you'll be able to see everything, but that's what we're cooking. Thanks, my foodie food. See you soon.